Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the angle is kind of off. I'm trying to turn my iPad a different way so that the video looks a little bit wider. So if it looks like I'm looking over there, I'm looking over here, I don't know. But anyway, I just finished getting my eyebrows done and I just wanted to show you an updated eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to talk through this video, so hopefully it's not too long. But I only use 5 products, and that would be an angle brush. This is from Real Techniques, and it's called a brow brush. I use also this other brush from Real Techniques, which is a deluxe crease brush, but I just use this to just fade the concealer out. I use this eyebrow pencil for right now. I'm not saying this is my staple eyebrow pencil, but this is what I use, and this is the MAC's Deep Brunette Velux Brow Liner, and it comes with the spoolie on one side and pencil on the other. And I've also started using this BH Cosmetics 10 color concealer palette, and I just use this on the top of my brows, and I just use this bottom color right there. So if you'd like to see this tutorial, please stay tuned. Okay, so I like to start off, as I stated, I just finished getting my eyebrows done, so I like to start off with the spoolie, and I just want to comb my eyebrows into place. Sorry, that was my phone. Okay, so yeah, you just want to comb your eyebrows up and into place. And next what I do is take the pencil. If you have to sharpen it, that's fine. What I don't like about this pencil is that it's hard to sharpen, like the point falls off a lot. So I can just sharpen it a little bit. So anyway, after I do that, I take the pencil and lightly trace. Let me see if you can see. Okay. I lightly trace under my eyebrow. If you can see how that looks in comparison to this one, I've just already started to form it. So you want to do the same thing to the top. If you hear vacuuming, that's someone vacuuming in my house. So, and that's that. So you don't want to make it look too unnatural. You really want to keep within your shape. And if you have less eyebrow than I do, then if you have to draw a little bit extra, just try to keep it to look as natural as possible. So you want to start to fill in. You want to leave this area from right here to right here. You want to leave it just blank. You can still leave the drawing right here, but you want to not fill in right there. I really don't need to fill in my eyebrows, but I just like how it looks. So anyway, I start to fill in just very lightly, like I'm hardly putting any pressure on the pencil. And you want to fill in the tip. You can make it longer if you like, but as you see, my natural brow is already pretty long. And then that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. And so this is what they both look like together. Let me try and tilt my camera down so you can really see. Okay, so this is what they look like together, as I've left the center right here pretty much blank, but just still left the drawing part. Okay, next what you want to do is your concealer. And I'm sorry, I forgot to show you all this. I do use this matte concealer, which is a Studio Finish concealer, and this is an NW35. So you want to take your angled brush and get some product on both sides of the brush, just like this. Have product on both sides. And I like to get enough so that I don't have to re-dip, because you don't want it to be too much. And I'm really only putting it on the bottom underneath, so yeah. So this is how much I have. And what you do is you just go right under that line that you drew. So go slowly, because you don't want to have like a harsh line. So go like this. If you see, I'm looking in the mirror as well, so this is, and then you go down and extend. I like to extend mine out to here because I am going to just brush it down. So you want to do the same thing to the other end. And then extend. Okay, so it does look crazy right now, but you know you're going to brush this concealer in. So you want to take the angled brush, like so, and you want to start to bring the product down onto your eyelid. As far as you want to bring it, but just make sure that you fade it out and bring it down. So this is how I do this part. You want to make sure that you get into that arch and make sure that it is, yeah, concealed and sharp looking. So that what you don't want to happen is for the concealer to be blended all the way down here and you still have this line right there. You really want to get in there close and blend that out. And you want to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so this is what you should have so far. The next step you can do is just take your finger and blend it out further. Okay. So now if you don't have another angle brush, you can just wipe it off with some paper towel. Mine's is damp. And then you can do the top. So going into the BH Cosmetic palette, you want to go into a shade that's really your skin tone. So like I say, I use this color down here. And I apply the same amount as I did with the first concealer. And you just go right on top. Trace it. You could probably hardly see it because it is like my skin tone. And just do the same steps that you did at the bottom. You just pull the brush up towards your hairline and blend. So, and then this is what you have. So, I mean, you could just, no, I'm not even going to say stop right here. Do not stop here. You want to take your brush, this fluffy brush, and you just want to blend any harsh lines. Okay, so next you want to go in with the spoolie part of the brush again, and you want to blend this product this way. And then just blend it out, comb it out. Not necessarily combing the product, the pencil away, but just blending the eyebrows further. And this is what we have. Sorry, I picked the iPad up so you can really see. This is what we have. This is a close-up of it. This is a close-up of the other one. They don't look exactly the same because, as I've stated before, brows are not twins. They're just sisters, and you'll never get them exactly the same. Like, never. So, this is how I do my brows, if you was interested. And look forward to talking to you all soon. Okay, bye.